convection.
But why does hot water go up and cold water go down? Because of the principle of buoyancy.
If you hold something that is less dense than water, such as a cork, in the middle of a beaker of water,
the buoyant force pushing that cork up will be greater than the force of gravity pulling it down. And as soon as you take your hand away, the cork will rise to the surface. Now, when water is heated, its molecules speed up and it expands and becomes less dense. And this less dense water will therefore go up, and then cool and become dense again, and therefore go down. Because the principle of buoyancy applies as much to gases as it does to liquids. When air is heated, its molecules speed up, and it expands, and becomes less dense. And so hot air rises, just as hot water rises. That's how hot air balloons work. When the air inside the balloon is heated up, it expands. And therefore, there's not enough room for all of it inside the balloon, so some of this hot air escapes. The result of this is to leave fewer air molecules in the balloon than before. In other words, the air inside is now less dense than the air outside. So the balloon floats upwards, just like the cork in the beaker of water. The fact that hot air rises also comes in useful when cooking a hot dog. It'll take forever to get hot if you hold it beneath a fire. But if you hold it just above the hot air which is rising up from the fire, you're in business. And since both gases and liquids flow, scientists refer to both as fluids, and to the type of heat transfer which carries or conveys hot fluids upwards and cold fluids downwards as convection.